The eufyCam E330 4Cam kit offers stunning 4K HD clarity, ensuring every detail is captured both day and night with its ultra-sensitive sensor and color night vision. With cross-camera tracking and facial recognition, the system can differentiate between family and strangers, providing swift and effortless event reviews. The plug-in power feature with a 16.4-foot cable ensures uninterrupted 24/7 recording, giving you seamless security without any power worries. Stable Wi-Fi coverage reaching up to 5,000 square feet eliminates blind spots, and the wireless connectivity up to 82 feet allows for easy DIY installation. The included 1 terabyte hard drive can save 24/7 recordings from all 4 cameras for up to 10 days, with the option to expand storage up to 16 terabytes for even longer retention. Advanced encryption technology protects your data, ensuring that you remain in control of your security footage at all times.